even knowing what love and life are all about. Then you came, you brought me out of the shower, you gave your world to me, and before I knew there I was so in love with you. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I'm feeling. You gave me a meaning to my life. It's all gone beyond existing, and it all began when I met you. I love the touch of your hair, and when I look in your eyes, I just know I'm on to something good, and I'm sure my love for you will endure. Your love will light up my world and take all my care.